Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use BullX Neo in 2025. So step 1, log in to BullX Neo. Head to bullxneo.com or use the app to sign in using your email, phone, or linked social media account. Step 2, set up your profile. After logging in, complete your profile by verifying your identity and linking your preferred payment method or wallet. Step 3, browse available assets. On the dashboard, you will see various investment options like stocks, crypto, and fractional shares. Use the search bar or category tabs to explore them. Step 4, make your first investment. Click on any asset that you want to view its details, charts, and forecasts. Hit the buy button and enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Step 5, use AI Insights. One of the best features of BullX Neo is its AI-driven insights. You will find recommendations, risk analysis, and performance projections right on the asset page. Step 6, monitor and adjust. Track your portfolio's performance on the dashboard. You can use tools like Auto Invest, Stop Loss, or alerts to fine-tune your strategy. BullX Neo makes investing smarter and more efficient in 2025. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.